Hello everyone, this is CEO of PrimeEdge, and we having troubling issues with our customers' need onto the warehouse connection because of the stock clearance and the stock percentage we doesn't clarified within a good manner and the correct way. So for that we need to improve something, and we want to take up our company into the next level. That's why I am here with my team of BPR of my company, and we are here to share some insights, valuable insights about our schemes and projects which we newly introduced. Let's see. The first thing we want to know about that opening grabbing attention, the imagine of a world where our PrimeEdge tool operates with that seamless and efficiency, where we want to be in that supply chain disruptions, and even though we want to be minimized our financial reports or generated to that real time and globally, that operations we want to be doing a perfectly synchronized, and the future starts today with our oracle system we newly introduced to the company. And the next thing we problem with the statement which we analyzed, that is why this change we need to our company's current system of struggle with us to the integration, and the leading to in the efficiency of our companies and the data soils, and even though the slow decision making in today's, it's a competitive which is the landscape, and we want to move into the company into the next level. We need to reboost the scalable and the future ready EPR solution. The next thing is explainable by BPR team.
As a BPR team, our solution is Oracle Benefits. Oracle is the game changer with its integrated modules for finance, manufacturing, sales, and logistics. It ensures streamlined processes that make better resources management. Then also it improve customer satisfaction also. Real-time data access is also another fact that means faster, smarter decision making in our organization. Then coming to the call to action, it encouraging supports through its time to power up PrimeEdge through using tools like with Oracle join us in this transformation to drive operational excellence also. And it also focus on stay ahead in the industry. Let's build a stronger, more efficient organization and future together. Thank you.
So these are the insights we taken from the company to develop from the present state to the next state by through the Oracle software. Thank you. Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. The board we are present here is very happy to see you all here. So we want to move our company from the present state to the next state, because we find a problem of our company to the customer order to the warehouse production, how much we have in stock, we didn't know about the stock balance, how many. So we lack of our sales and distribution department, even though the logistics and even though sales distribution team getting very worried about this. So as we are past 3 to 5 months of our analysis about these terms, so we have a new tech software as by technical team analysis. I go through your reports by your business rep is submitting to me earlier. So I want to know the detailed manner of our analysis with your each department and your contributions. And even though we want to launch the date of our post go live, and then what is the time date we have to launch and introduce a new software to that company. So like every department wise we may move to that analysis, as the company started to the 1843, the past 100 years we moving to the good manner and a good way, but we need to improve our new system to that current update. So I move with our business that currently explain what is the procedure of that company, what we are going to do in the next level of our company. Can you explain please?
Yes, ma'am. Hello everyone. I want to explain the gap between each department. In HR department, employees in the warehouse and the factory are deeply attached to the current system. This means a lack of training and change management strategies, which could slow down the transition to a barcode system. Effective communication and training programs are essential to ensure smooth adaptation. In marketing department, this is an internal process. Its impact on efficiency and customer service is significant. If the transition is not smooth, inventory handling delays could affect order fulfillment, damaging brand reliability. The gap here is lack of structured internal communication plan to reassure shareholders. In inventory management department, the current system relies on a large, easy to read labels, which employees are comfortable with the transition to barcode scanning could cause temporary inefficiency. If employees struggle with new process, the gap is in implementation strategy. Without basic adaptation or pilot testing, disruption could occur. In IT department, the barcode system requires scanners, software, and integrations with the existing inventory databases. A key gap is whether the IT infrastructure is ready for the transition. If systems are not well integrated, data mismatches, downtime, or cyber security risks could arise, disturbing operations. And the next is finance department. The investment in new barcode technology, training and system upgrade could be costly. The gap lies in financial justification as a cost benefit analysis being conducted. If not, budget allocation might not be optimized, leading to potential overspending or underfunding.
Yeah, thank you. As a business, you analyze a well manner, even though you go through the cyber security analysis of our company. It's a good manner, good work. Thank you. Samuel, as a technical head, what is the analysis of our software go through our companies from the present state to the next state? Can you explain your points, please?
Our company faces challenges in upgrading our inventory systems lab while ensuring a smooth transition for our employees. To solve this, we implemented a ERP systems along with the other digital solutions to improve accuracy and our efficiency. To optimize the supply chain, we adopted ERP software like Oracle, integrated barcode scanning, and radio frequency identification tracking for our inventory management. We also used IoT sensors to monitor stock level in real time, and a transportation management system to enhance our logistics. This helps us to reduce our errors and speed up our material handling. And we leverage business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau, and IBM Arnos Analytics to analyze our supply chain data to improve our decision making. Big data platform like Hadoop and Spark help us to process large amount of data effectively. These insights allow us to forecast demand and optimize production schedules. To support our global operations, we utilize a cloud computing service such as AWS that refers to Amazon Web Service and Microsoft Azure to host applications securely. We also adapted blockchain technology for our supply chain transparency and microservice architecture to ensure our smooth system interface. These technologies improve scalability and reliability of our company. To streamline operations, we implemented robotics process automations that refers to RPA using tools like UiPath and automations anywhere for task line invoice processing. AI-driven automation help in productivity maintenance, reduce downtime in manufacturing. Additionally, Microsoft-powered automated was used to manage workflow and approval effectively. Thank you.
Yeah, this wasn't such nice analysis, Samuel, because using Oracle as our software, right? Even though beyond that you have such modules of BI, Tableau, and even though for storage is a cloud, and even you go through the AWS, right? This was a good idea for an data storage for controlling a big data. Yeah, valuable insights, good. Next, I want to know about that BPR head. Can you go through that, explain the step-by-step process about software module and even though the company profit, please?
PrimeEdge implementing an ERP system with barcode technology to bridge gap between the warehouse and working staff while reducing the manual tasks and improving customer satisfaction. It is a strategic initiative. Discover the latest solution such as software purchase like Oracle, SAP, R3, and digital transformation that employee engagement, etc. will be take more effective in our organization. So it is essential to cover all 7 key phases as the ERP stages to cover us to develop a more powerful strategy. First one is being organizational change. Second one, re-engineering the organization. Third one, identifying BPR opportunity. Fourth one, understanding the existing process. Fifth one, re-engineering process. Sixth one, blueprint the new business system. And the seventh one, perform the transformation. And coming to this, in the first phase, being organizational change, We re-engineering requires the cultural shift. So it is not just about improving the process but also reshaping the organization's mindset to embrace technology-driven change. We mainly focus on converting the manual work to digital work. It is in this first spaces we focus on that. That will reduce the time consumed, errors, etc. Then coming to the second phase, re-engineering the organization, we have to assemble a cross-functional dedicated team from each department such as sales, warehouse, operation, customer service and logistics. That will lead the BPR initiative, ensure the project remain on trend. Then coming to the third phase, identify the BPR opportunity. Our opportunity pinpoint efficiency in warehouse and sales. So department and through the department coordination. Use software like SAP R/3 and Oracle, we can consolidate these two departments. Then coming to the fourth phase is understanding the existing process. Before re-engineering the process, it is critical to thoroughly understand the current workflow. So, through our project, document the existing order placement and inventory management process. Also, we can creating a detailed flow chart showing how orders are received, processed and fulfilled by sales and warehouse team. Coming to next phase, that is re-engineering the process. That is, in this stage, the order placement system that allow customer to place order quickly. In organization side, ERP system like SAP and IoT also will update the stock automatically, reflect in time. This will also update warehouse and sale team when order placed, ship and need any attention. Then the sixth phase, blueprint the new business system. This is the main core phase of our ERP team. In this have to prepare a blueprint which fall down in technical blueprint, process blueprint, integration plan, employee and customer journey. First one, which is detailed about the technical aspect. Fully it covers the technical aspects that show how the barcode system will interface with the ERP software. Define the workflow, data flow and user interface. For example, barcode scanning app, dashboard for warehouse and sales staff can be used in this place. Second one, process blueprint. Document the redesigned order to delivery process, illustrating how the barcodes scanning system will work in conjunction with the ERP system to streamline inventory and order management. Third one is integration plan. Develop a clear plan for how the barcode technology and ERP system will integrate with existing manufacturer. Example, inventory management software, sales platforms, etc. Then coming to the seventh phase, that is an important phase, perform the plan to action. In this, put the plan into action. That is our main objective of the ERP department. Provide continuous training and support to the employees and the management. Monitor and adjust its performance, track key performance indicators. Then such as order accuracy, inventory accuracy, lead time and customer satisfaction, etc. Use this data to adjust and optimize the system. In seventh stage, we have to continuous feedback. We have to take continuous feedback and continuous development and improvement, so that implement a feedback loop to gather insight from the users and customers. These are the basic concepts we gathered and plan to implement in ERP.
Yeah, it's good, and soon I may get a hard copy of a blueprint from your department team. You may hand over to your business head. Go through, because I refer to your soft copy, but I need a hard copy for an reference and documentation. You may do with your business head. The next thing, I go with the vendor for an which software is going to be useful, because we do some analysis of a company. It might be good. So as a vendor, you may give some insights to develop these kind into the next level, please.
As a vendor head, our ERP solution is Oracle. Oracle that provides enterprise software, database management, cloud computing and business intelligence solutions. It is widely used by companies like PrimeEdge for ERP, financial management, supply chain optimization, and AI-powered analytics. Oracle's key offerings include the Oracle database that will help to secure scalable data storage and management, and Oracle Cloud that will help to cloud hosting for enterprise applications, and Oracle ERP that automates finance, HR, procurement and supply chain, and Oracle Analytics and AI that helps to real-time data visualization and business intelligence, and Oracle IoT and RFID that's mass tracking for inventory and logistics. And our estimated time is required to implement Oracle is 9 to 18 months, and the estimated cost is around the full implementation of Oracle is $50 million. That's it.
Yeah, it's good even though you go with the budget analysis of a company for how much we want to spend to learn software. Thank you for the insights. And these are good. Next I want to know about Go Live Head. When we want to launch these, because we need a particular time to launch. So can you go through that final summarization under that Go Live date, please?
Yes, ma'am. The post-go live implementation and support. After the successful implementation of the Oracle system and the PrimeEdge tool, the focus has shifted into ensuring system stability and user adaptations and ongoing technical support. So the key post-go live activities are user training and adaptation. Continuous training sections were conducted to ensure forklift operation and warehouse staff were comfortable using the new system. And then next is system monitoring and issue resolutions. A dedicated support team was established to monitor system performance, resolve technical details and optimize barcode system efficiency. So next is support and troubleshooting. Connectware and in-house IT teams provide an ongoing support to fix the issues and optimize workforce and ensures the minimal disruptions. So next is user feedback and improvement. The company gathered feedback from the employees to refine the system and improve the insight to use. So the current progress and company impact. Operational efficiency. Fast warehouse process and reduce manual data entry errors, and as real-time data access, instant location updation for the inventory, improving stock tracking and order fulfillment, and as simplified user experiment. So employees adopted well to the new system with Janus leaders providing more user-friendly than the full-screen interfaces. Financial benefits. The investment paid off within 7-month demonstrations strong growth. So, ma'am, as we plan to launch this is from 2026 November.
Thank you for your insights, and even though you answered that Go Live date, that's good. The next I want to share some details about a company which we work together. So our project is going to be SwiftScan. You all know about that, working under the SwiftScan, that's good. So the SwiftScan live date also announced now. It's really good, and you might all go through about this process. And 4 years of we work together, the system selection, customization, employee integration, system integration. That's really nice. I want to heartily thank you all for the dedication which all give for the company. And the next thing I want to mention here, some challenges overcoming the employee resistance, employee training, and even though the fair and distribution of daily trust, quite go through that because we want to give a profit of the company is very much important. And as a business head, you might have any queries you want to clarify with anything. You go and meet the entire heads, and where the field you want to get clarified, go through it, well work on it. So we'll meet on the grand live. Our session is going to 2026 November. Solidly we have 10 months to work on it. So we confidentially work and get the results and analysis in the best way. Thank you both. Work on it. We will do it. Okay? Thank you.